In this tutorial, we will review the palette, the graphical tool used to graphically set the crown and root of any tooth, whether primary or permanent. We'll review the function of the palette. We'll go through an overview of the arrangement and finish with 3 examples of using the palette. All teeth have 2 general sections, the crown and the root. The palette is a graphical tool used to graphically set the crown and root of any tooth, whether primary or permanent. The graphical representation of a patient's teeth may not correspond to reality due to several reasons. The user may have made a mistake when entering dental work, maybe the user clicked on the wrong tooth, or maybe there have been changes to the teeth status due to natural reasons, like teeth eruption or teeth loss. To invoke the palette, we would click on button palette. Any action taken through use of the palette will affect one tooth at a time, and any changes will be displayed in the graphical representation of the teeth in the dental record. Click on button palette. The user is prompted to select a tooth from the graphical representation. If no tooth exists, then click on the empty space where the tooth used to exist. In our case, let's click on tooth 43. The palette is divided into several areas. On the left, you see the selected tooth in its present state, with all the dental work that has been performed on the tooth. In the upper middle, you see the various choices for the crown of a permanent tooth. To view a description of all the crown choices, place the cursor on the specific crown choice, and the description will appear in the text box below. For example, this is an inlay. This is a crown. Below this region, you see the various choices for the root of a permanent tooth. As an example, this is an implant. This is an apicectomy. On the right, the top 5 choices represent the choices that are available for the crown of a primary tooth, and the bottom 2 the choices available for the root of a primary tooth. On the bottom of the palette, the Reset button will restore the tooth with no dental work on it. The Cancel button will interrupt any changes and will close the palette. And the Exit door will save any changes made by the palette and exit the palette. Let's review a few examples of using the palette. First of all, we can reset tooth 43 to its original state by clicking on Reset. Exit, and you can see tooth 43. Again, click on Palette, select 43, and let's add an implant, and a crown. Let's review also one last example where we restore the tooth to its primary state. As you can see, this tooth is unerupted and it's now renamed to tooth 83. In the same manner, we can do whatever we want with the graphics on the dental record form.